3. Hear me. Oh,
Not open until Christmas. Because
There's more. Keep opening.
oh my god! It's a sweet suit.
Yeah. Put it on.
What are you gonna say, Dan?
Who was this?
I helped Mom.
For
though.
me and Dan.
This was you?
It was both of them.
It was both of you?
You spread it out. Show Daddy.
got the sweet suit. Oh my god!
Okay, give Daddy a thank you.
What?
Wala ko thank you, Marking Yam. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay.